Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves. If you like my content or have any suggestions, please let me know, and by all means, make sure you share. The only way I can get my word out is you help me get the word out as well.
The hard part about going through either one of these processes is that if you are having a hard time trying to navigate through these systems as it is, I mean, in terms of taking care of paying your rent and your mortgage, the last thing you want to have is have to deal with an attorney representing the bank or representing the landlord. Because guess what? That means you probably need to get one yourself, and finding one who can take your case is going to be hard. Not hard from the standpoint of having your legal issues. It's hard in terms of pay, because if you're struggling just trying to pay your rent, you're now trying to figure out where can I get the money to help to get me an attorney to defend me with regards to that. Now, don't get me wrong. There are some organizations, legal aid, community legal services, that do provide assistance in cases like that. But a lot of times they look at it based on your finances. So if you're in a situation where your finances are not that crazy, or better yet, it's a nice way of saying, if you're not that poor, then all of a sudden you're in a situation where they're like, well, you're poor, but you're not so poor where you qualify for our services, but then you don't have enough money to pay for an attorney. So now you're in a situation where you're worried about legal proceedings that you're undergoing and not having anybody who can defend you with regards to that. And so that's where it becomes even more troubling, because now here's a situation where the landlord is now telling you, we don't want you to give us any more money because we're going to get you out of here, or the bank is saying, we don't want none of your money because we want to get you out of the home. And you want to fight it, but you don't have the finances. You barely have the finances to pay the rent, and now you're in a situation where you have to try to figure out, where can I get the finances to pay for my legal battle to try to stay in this place.